Hey everyone, I'm Heather Goswage, Associate Director of Global Membership here at ISSA. So lately we've seen a surge of fresh talent in the cleaning industry, and now is the perfect time to recognize these young rising stars and inspire them to lead us into the future of cleaning and facility solutions with our new ISSA Emerging Leaders Awards program. This exclusive ISSA member benefit celebrates professionals under 40 years old who show innovation, leadership, and a strong commitment to excellence. So think about that exceptional young professional you know who's all about innovation and leadership in our field. Or maybe it's even you. Honorees will get amazing career exposure at the ISSA Show North America this year and will be celebrated among their peers. This is just the beginning of our journey to highlight the young leaders already making an impact and to attract even more young professionals to our industry. Remember, the deadline to nominate your emerging leader is July 31st. That's coming up here soon, so don't miss out. Visit issa.com/emerging leaders today and nominate someone who represents the future of our industry. I'm excited to see who will be recognized.